We're going to investigate this question. How much income, wages, or salary will my Social Security benefits replace? We're going to explore this and more, so stay tuned for the full episode. Welcome back. This is Richard with Wisdom Investor. We've got some excellent information to share with you today. We're going to look at how much income your Social Security benefit will replace when you compare it to your previous wages, salary, or income you were earning. Now keep in mind, your Social Security retirement benefit is not designed to replace all of your previous income. So we're going to investigate this topic here today. Now on this channel here, we not only talk about Social Security, but we also talk about investing for retirement, saving for retirement, when to retire, and much more. We're going to explore this topic. How much of my wages and income will my Social Security benefits replace? Now, Social Security is designed to give you some financial support when you retire, but it's not designed to give you the same standard of living that you had prior to retirement. Let's take a brief moment to see how Social Security is calculated. The first step is they adjust your earnings for historical changes in U.S. wages. Another word for this, they index your wages. They take your 35 best paid years and calculate your average index monthly earnings. This is called your AIM, AIM. That's your average index monthly earnings. They put the average index monthly earnings into a formula. This formula right here, I'm not going to go through all the steps, but there's 3 steps to it. This gives you your primary insurance amount, also known as your full retirement benefit at your full retirement age. Social Security did an actuarial analysis to determine the replacement rate for retirees based on different income levels. Here's the study we got our information from for our video here today. It's loaded with all types of actuarial information here, and to save you a lot of time here, we're not going to go through this whole thing. We're going to look at 5 different average income levels and the percentage that the Social Security benefit will replace. This first level is the average earnings over 35 years of $13,894 per year. So Social Security benefit would replace about 75%. So the Social Security benefit would be approximately $10,432 for a person that had an average earnings of $13,894 per year. The second level we're going to look at is career average earnings of $25,000 per year. The replacement for Social Security is 54%. In other words, your benefit would be $13,592. The third level here is an average earnings over your career of $55,000 per year. The Social Security benefit would replace about 40% of your income. That would be $22,397. Keep in mind, everybody's going to be a little bit different because each person's income level is slightly different. The next level is an average earnings throughout your career of $88,924 per year. Social Security will replace 33.3% of your income, or approximately $29,611 per year. The next level is a career average earnings of $136,000 per year, and Social Security will replace 26.5%, or approximately $36,228 per year. And as we said earlier, it's not going to replace your full earnings. You can see here that the lower the income, the higher the replacement that you get, but it still doesn't replace the entire earnings. So it's very important to save additional monies on the side. On the average, Social Security is designed to replace about 40% of your previous income while you were working. It's not going to replace everything, as we have said. So it's very important while you're working is to build as large a nest egg to help replace that extra income Social Security doesn't replace. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching this segment. I want to thank you for watching this update on how much income your Social Security will replace.